well, hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we did the cruise ships in the last video. So in this video, we are going to do another part of Belfast quick. Okay. So to start off with, we've got a big cargo ship, and I found something in the name. Hang on, Lifeway or something, and Dutch ship, Sun Lifeway or something, I don't know. And then that is from our company. I don't know what that company is. T something, I don't know. Then we've got a bridge there. And then we'll come along, we've got this might be an oil tank, remember? Now I've got the name again. Sun Lifeway. Oh, so there's the Sun Lifeway. Probably came in from Rotterdam or something. Oh yeah, and then you can see there's the lifeboat, and then there is the rope that's tying the ship up. Probably run around the front too, and it came in from there. Now let's go and see the cruise ship. There's another cruise ship to be featured. And here is the cruise ship with the famous Highland and Wolf cranes in the background. So you can see there it is, and I've taken you through the other ones. I think that might be the Viking Sea if I'm right. And then down there, down under, we have Stena Hibernia or something down there. Now we're just driving down a bit, just down to see the Stena ship. So actually that is the Viking Sun. So the Viking Sea is over there. In the last video we saw that. Go back to now. What is it? Yeah. I was trying to read you that name just to tell you what company built the Highland and Wolf cranes, but it won't show up, so I can't. ZUFF or something? ZNUK or something? I don't know. And yes, there is a Stena boat down there. That's a Stena Hibernia if I'm right. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.